Okay, so now we have almost all components for these pins which are used to read voltage from the battery. Now we have to add some resistors and capacitors on this last pin. So first we can add this resistor here. So it is this size. We can place it here. And we can change this name. So it is R. And we can add this connection here. And this resistor is 5.1 ohms. So we can add that. Then we need capacitor here. So it is this size. And it is here. And we can create this connection. And it is also connected to the ground. So we can take ground from here. Okay. And then there is this RF resistor. So this RF resistor is from here, and it is this size again. And it is connected to this. And the value is 10 ohms. And then there is one capacitor. So it is this EMC capacitor. And it is 1 nanofarads. So we can search for capacitors. And it was this size. So we will drag it here and we can name this so like that, and it is connected to this ground too, and we can add this value. So this was 1 nanofarad, and this one should be 100 nanofarads. Okay, so now we have added all those, and we can save this now. Then we can go to this layout. So here we have these new components. So we can place this here. And these capacitors, I guess they have to again. I think they should be close to this. This is 1 nanofarad and this. Okay, so yeah, so this is the CMC capacitor, so it is close to this pin. So it's here. I have to check this later. It might be these capacitors might have to be closer to this microchip, but we can leave them here now. And yeah, so this one should be here. We can move it like this from ground plane. So these capacitors probably have to be moved somewhere else later. We can save this now. We could also try if we can align these resistors now so it looks better. Sometimes there is some wire blocking this, so we can't always align them. Okay, well that worked fine. And this. Okay, so that works too. We can do same for these resistors. I think there is not align for this because they are not horizontal. But we can save this now and go check that 3D model. Okay, here we have this new 3D model of this.